So no one can see you. We'll take this act for you.
No, not you. No, I won't do that.
Hello? I did for the INEC office where you go here. Hello? Hello?
What's going on?
What's going on? Yeah, I know. If people came to check their name, maybe I should instead for the INEC. But unfortunately, people are not seeing their name. They're just seeing empty space. So we don't know what's going on. After wasting time, energy, and resources, nothing to show. It's actually annoying.
Auntie, did you see your name?
I didn't see my name either.
And you went for the training?
Yes. I went.
You were trained?
I was trained. But I've not seen my name. My name is not here. There's no need. That's just my time, my research.
You also went for the training?
Yes, I did.
The INEC
For
training?
the 4 days, yes. 3 days apart, then last week Saturday too. Very, very important.
Okay, you too, you went for the training? And yet your name is not here?
Yeah.
Does it mean they changed your name?
Yes, definitely. Maybe they changed it because they sent me a message. The refreshment training, I went for refreshment. That is the 4th day of our. The name is not there.
And it's just 7 words. Yeah, 7 words that is being posted here. 8, 9, 10, 11.
Have you seen anyone?
What are you doing?
John, even if you take me, I'm not committing offense now.
No, but your people they don't like it. But now your name is not here.
My name is there. That's it.
Good. And you went for the training?
Yes.
You saw your name?
Yes.
So you are not among those that are complaining that their names are not there?
No, I'm not complaining.
Did you see your name?
I did not see my name. I went for the training, 4 days training, 3 days normal training, then they added 1 day again. Then at the end of it all, my name, I cannot find my name. Although I've been directed that I should go to NOPA for Yanagwa local government in this to go and check, but from the one they pasted online, I cannot see my name.
Didn't they send you a message?
They did not send me, they did it.
The one that
they did, but they did not see our names.
the one that they do mop-up training, they sent.
And you went for that training, but your name is here now.
My own is there, but all of them that went for the mop-up is not there.
What do you think is happening?
We don't know.
Whether there are few same people that have favor with INEC officers.
Get one now.
Thank you.